Hey everybody, welcome back to today's episode of Drunken Sailor. Before we start, I just want to thank all those new subscribers we've got out there. We're starting to get some numbers in. If you like us, don't forget to tell your friends about us. Make the cocktails and leave a comment. Tell us what you liked about it. Tell us what you didn't like about it. If you think there's a cocktail you want to see us do, please leave a comment. Let us know. We're coming up on Valentine's Day, so let's do something fun and let's do something Valentine's oriented because it's the month of love. Today's cocktail is called the White Chocolate Raspberry Martini. 4 simple ingredients, and we are going to start with 1 ounce of white chocolate liqueur. We're using Godiva. That's for chocolate liqueurs. I've had a couple. This one's my favorite. So 1 ounce white chocolate. Next in there, we are going to use 1 ounce of a raspberry liqueur framboise. That's what's going to give us that color of love. And then we are going to use 1 1/2 ounce of vanilla vodka. We're using Smirnoff's this time out. And then just to give it a little bit more texture, a little bit fullness in there, we are going to add 1/2 ounce of cream. Half and half. It's a drink of love. There are no carbs, there are no calories. Do not worry about it. Put some ice in the shaker. Pop the top on that. Give it a good shake to chill it down. And we are going to grab a martini glass and we will pour. And then to finish it off, there's 2 ways you can do this. One of them is to throw a raspberry garnish on there, or the other one is just take some chocolate and just shave the chocolate into the cocktail on the top. Gives you that smell, gives you that taste, and that is our white chocolate raspberry martini. Enjoy, folks. Don't forget to subscribe. Find us on TikTok at KM Spinell and here on YouTube.